How to download Fire Kirin. Hi guys, it's Mekran from Gaming Basics. Today I am going to guide you how to download Fire Kirin. Downloading Fire Kirin is quite easy, so without any delay, let's start the video. Open the Google Play Store. Launch the Play Store on your mobile device. Search for Fire Kirin. Type Fire Kirin in the search bar and tap on Fire Kirin from the search result. Install the game. Click on Install button. The game will start downloading and automatically install once completed. Fire Kirin is a popular mobile gaming app that offers a variety of fish-themed arcade games. Players can enjoy engaging and competitive gameplay, where they aim to catch different types of fish to earn points and reward. Launch the game. Once installed, tap on Open to launch Fire Kirin. You can log in or create a new account to start playing, and here you go, it's done. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.